Hello everyone, welcome to Jets TV. Here to do my recap of the Jets game. We played the Raiders. We beat the Raiders 19-14. Not very excited by this game at all. Not very excited by the way we looked in this game. We looked like complete and utter trash. And that's just the truth. I think the only reason why we won this game was simply because we played the Raiders and they're bad enough for us to do the things that we did and get away with it. We absolutely looked horrible in the first half. We had a bunch of missed opportunities. The penalties were the flags were running wild for us. We had 11 penalties for 105 yards. That's not going to get the job done. Willie Colon, our offensive lineman, had 105 yards had 40 yards in penalties by himself. 40 yards in penalties, all for Willie Colon. We look like trash. Gino threw a bad interception to Woodson. And after that, he also fumbled in the red zone, trying to run the ball. I don't know what he was trying to do. Instead of sliding and getting down, he decides he's gonna, I don't know, I guess he thinks he's Curtis Martin, so he's gonna run somebody over. He got cracked and fumbled. I mean, it was bad. It was very bad, hard to watch in the first half. We looked like the Raiders. That's what we looked like. It was like we switched uniforms or something. It was odd. It was very, very odd. With all that said, Gino ended up 23 of 28. He had 221 yards and he had a touchdown, as well as that interception that I just spoke about. But the first half was looking terrible. Defensively, I thought in the first half, we stopped them from running, period. Derek McFadden was their leading rusher. He only had 15 yards. Maurice Jones-Drew had 11 yards. So altogether, outside of, because we also got Carr down and he lost a yard. Outside of that, we only gave up 25 yards on the day rushing. So our run defense was efficient. And that was one of the questions I had. Hey, could we stop them from running? And we did. Throwing the ball, though, Carr he did a decent job for a rookie. 20 of 32. He had 151 yards. He had 2 TDs, no interceptions. They didn't have a turnover the entire game. We didn't force them into a turnover at all. They didn't turn the ball over at all. We had a chance in the second half when we got better. We came out and we played way better in the second half. Not much better, but we played good enough to look decent. Quentin Coples got a big time. It was a tackle / clothesline on Maurice Jones-Drew, and Maurice Jones-Drew fumbled and kicked the ball all the way up into the air, and Derek Carr landed on it. And that was like almost kind of the turning point for our defense, for our intensity, as a team. We kind of stepped up a little bit. The only thing that looked really good was our running game. Chris Ivory, 10 carries, 102 yards. He had a TD. He also had a 71-yard bust, just a whole 71-yard burst, which really sealed the game for us. For a touchdown, and he celebrated a little early on that 71-yard bust and almost got caught from behind. This was the type of day we were having. Like it was just bad. Chris Johnson, he had 13 carries for 68 yards. He looked very good as well. I really wish we kind of moved him around a lot and we put him in the slot as a receiver from time to time. I really hope we continue, or we look into doing that a little bit more, because I feel like he can be a threat from there as well. But as far as the game, we looked very bad, especially going into some of the schedule that we have coming up with the Packers and the Bears and, the Lions and all these teams we have coming up. If we do anything that we did against the Raiders against them, they're going to blow us the hell out. And it's not even going to be a close game. This game was tough to watch, but we got a win. It's an ugly win. Again, I'll take it. I'll take ugly wins all day. In the NFL, hey, you win how you can. So I will take that W. So please comment, rate, like, guys. Share the video if you can. My picks are coming up soon. We're only going to do 3 teams. One of those teams is always going to be the Jets game, and then we're going to have 2 other games. For any teams you guys want to, if it's your team, if it's whatever, a team going against you guys, if you want me to talk about your game and offer my picks for your game, please, comment, guys. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll cover that game for you. So I'll be coming up with my picks soon, so just please stay tuned and stay watching, man. Thank you guys for watching. Go Jets.